Welcome to Weld Tec Designs University, or WTDU for short. My name is Jeremy Johnson, and I will be your professor or host for these episodes. I'm so happy to see that you're taking time out of your busy schedule to learn all about the valuable topics that are going to pertain to your vehicle. We will be adding new classes to our channel routinely, so we encourage you to subscribe to our channel as well as interact through the comment section below. Our goal at WTDU is to do a deep dive into specific parts or products as well as the applications best suited for their use while giving an honest review of how it works. A little background on me, Professor J. I have been a welder fabricator for over 25 years, and I started my formal education in the structural steel industry as a union ironworker. That's where I gained my welding certifications as well as became a journeyman ironworker. However, my roots in the desert and off-roading led me away from the high-rise buildings to the fast-moving desert race cars and trucks. My passion is to go fast, and there's no better place than Baja to put the best to the test of survival. It gave me the opportunity to build, drive, and test what works, and sometimes you learn the hard way from what doesn't. From Baja, with roots in San Diego, we put countless vehicles featured in various publications showcasing my builds. This put me on the path to the one and only SEMA show in Las Vegas with Weld Tec Designs in our Road to SEMA series. This is the largest gathering of car enthusiasts and products in the world, showcasing top vehicle builds only limited by the imagination. I have showcased many of my builds at this prestigious show, introducing Overland vans in 2016 before they were even cool. And now I'm bringing to you all of my years of experience and knowledge in one easy setting here at WTDU. We will be spending many days in the lab taking a deep dive into the what, why, and how of specific components and how they work best together with your vehicle. I will also look forward to special guest speakers that we're going to be bringing on who are experts in their field and can provide additional valuable information. My goal here at WTDU is to have you walk out of class feeling like you learned something new that you can pass on. This is going to be fun, and we will look forward to a bright future ahead with your completion of WTDU. So if you're ready, click that big red subscribe button down below and join us in class. I am Professor J, and I want to thank you for joining us in class today at WTDU. I will see you in the next class.